Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to draw this color wheel using crayons. The solid triangle represents the primary colors. Those are the first colors. You can't mix other colors to make them. We have yellow, blue, and red. In between the primary colors, we have three more colors. Those are the secondary colors: orange, green, and purple, the secondary colors. And they're connected with a dashed line. They make another triangle, a dashed triangle. So if you mix yellow and red together, it makes orange. Yellow and blue together makes green. And red and blue makes purple when you mix them. And if you mix all of the colors together, it makes a really dark color, black. You will need crayons: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet, and black. A piece of paper, this is 12 by 12 inches. A ruler. Something to draw some circles with, either a bottle cap, a circle tracer, or a roll of tape. Let's begin. First, take your circle that you're going to trace and put it at the top of your paper, right in the middle. Hold it still with one hand, and then take your black crayon and go all around it to trace a circle. Now take your circle and go to the bottom left. You want to measure about 4 fingers from the bottom. Place the circle there, hold it still, trace a second circle. Now go to the bottom right of the paper, place your hand 4 fingers high, and put your circle on top of your hand so it's the same height as the one on the left, and we're going to trace that circle. These 3 circles are going to be colored with primary colors: yellow, red, and blue. So we're going to start at the top. We're going to use the color of the sun. I'm going to color this yellow, like a lemon yellow. The bottom left, I'm going to use red, like a cherry or a tomato. The last primary color I'm going to use is blue, like a blueberry. Now, if you have a ruler, you can use it. If not, you can just draw this freehand. I'm going to use the ruler and the black crayon to connect the 3 circles. So going from the yellow to the red, I'm making a slanted line or diagonal line, a solid line. From yellow to blue, I'm making another solid line. Hold the ruler still with one hand as you do this. And then from red to blue, I'm making another line, but this one is horizontal. It means it goes left to right, like the horizon line. Now this triangle, it connects all 3 of the primary colors: yellow, red, and blue. Now in these spots, I'm going to draw more circles for the secondary colors. So take your circle again and your black crayon, place it in between the red and the yellow, hold it still, draw a circle around it, lift it up, go to the right, about the same distance between yellow and blue, hold it still, trace it. Now go to the bottom, right in the middle between red and blue, hold it still, trace another circle. There we go. Now inside these, we're going to use the secondary colors. So here are the secondary colors. We have purple, orange, and green. Red and yellow together make orange. So get your orange crayon and color this circle orange, like the fruit that you would eat. Or pumpkin. Yellow and blue together make green. So get your green crayon, make sure it just says green, and in this circle, we're going to color it green. Like a watermelon. Or lime. Now for the bottom circle, red and blue together make purple. Take your purple crayon, color the bottom circle purple. We've made all three secondary colors, orange, green, and purple. Now take your ruler again and your black crayon, and this time our line that connects the secondary colors will be a dashed line. So you're gonna pick up your crayon as you go across the page to make a dashed or dotted line like that, broken line. Make a line from orange to purple. Now make a line from green to purple. This dotted line connects all three of the secondary colors, orange, green, and purple. Now if you have space, we can make one more color in the middle. So take your circle, take your black crayon, hold the circle still, make another circle right in the center. This one we're going to color with the color black. Because if you mix all of the colors on the color wheel, it will make a dark color like black. So I'm coloring that in. All right. The color wheel is almost done. There's one more step. I'm going to label all of the colors on it. So starting with black, I'm going to use a black crayon. And you can also read the name of the color on the crayon. And yellow goes here. I'm going to use a yellow crayon. Green. Blue. Purple, red, and orange. I hope you enjoyed making a color wheel with me today. We learned how the secondary colors are made by mixing primary colors. And if you mix all of the colors on the color wheel, it makes the color black. And it's called a color wheel because it's round like a wheel, like the wheel of a bike. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.